Have you ever wondered how to design and implement a building energy management solution with mini server control? This question has become increasingly relevant in our quest for energy efficiency and sustainability. You see, building energy management solutions, or BEMS for short, are crucial in helping us monitor and control our building's energy consumption. This not only leads to improved efficiency, but also significant cost savings. Now, where do mini servers come into play? Well, they offer an affordable and scalable approach to implementing these solutions. Imagine having a compact, powerful tool that can manage your building's energy needs, all while saving you money. It's a win-win, isn't it? So whether you're a student looking for a project or an energy manager aiming to enhance your building's efficiency, this is for you. Now let's embark on the journey of designing and implementing a building energy management solution with mini server control. The first step in our journey is understanding the specific needs of your building. So let's dive right into that. Think of your building as a living, breathing entity. It has a type, a size, and even utilizes various energy sources. Is it a high-rise skyscraper or a sprawling industrial complex? Perhaps it's a quaint bed and breakfast or a bustling shopping mall. Each building type presents unique energy management challenges and opportunities. The size of your building also plays a significant role in determining your energy needs. A larger building will naturally consume more energy, but it may also offer more opportunities for energy optimization. Now let's talk about the energy sources your building uses. Are you primarily using electricity, or does your building also utilize natural gas, solar power, or other energy sources? Your energy mix can significantly influence your energy management strategies. The next factor to consider is the level of monitoring and control required. How detailed do you want your energy consumption data to be? Do you need real-time insights, or are daily summaries sufficient? Answering these questions will help you determine the sophistication required from your building energy management solution. And let's not forget about budget constraints. While an all-singing, all-dancing energy management system might sound appealing, it's important to balance your energy efficiency goals with your financial realities. Remember, the goal is to create a system that pays for itself over time through energy savings. By thoroughly evaluating these factors, building type, size, energy sources used, the level of monitoring and control required, and budget constraints, you'll gain a clear understanding of your building's unique energy needs. This understanding is crucial because it will inform the design of your optimized building energy management solution. So take your time with this step. Gather as much information as you can. Talk to building occupants, consult with energy experts, and crunch those numbers. The more you know about your building and its energy needs, the better equipped you'll be to design an effective energy management system. With a clear understanding of your building's needs, you can move on to designing the system architecture, and that's where the real fun begins. Now that you've identified your building's energy needs, it's time to design your system architecture. This is where we get to the heart of the solution, the mini servers. These small but powerful machines will form the backbone of your building energy management solution. It's crucial to select mini servers that have enough storage, processing power, and connectivity to meet your needs. Remember, the aim is to monitor and control energy consumption efficiently. So opting for Energy Star certified models can help ensure maximum efficiency. Just like the mini servers, the sensors and actuators play a vital role in your system. These will be your eyes and ears, tracking temperature, occupancy, flow rates, and more. As for the actuators, they're the doers, turning equipment on and off as needed. Opt for reliable industrial-grade models that can withstand the demands of your building environment. Designing a robust and resilient infrastructure is also a key consideration. This includes having redundant mini servers and fail-safe controls to ensure uptime. You won't want a single point of failure to bring your entire system down, would you? Additionally, managed Ethernet switches are a reliable choice for robust networking. Don't forget to plan for a UPS battery backup system, as this can provide a graceful shutdown in the event of power loss. And finally, keep an eye on the future. Your building's energy needs may grow, and so too should your system. Plan for future data growth and processing needs when sizing your mini servers and designing your system architecture. So there you have it. Choosing the right mini servers, sensors, actuators, and designing a resilient infrastructure are all crucial steps in creating an effective building energy management solution. With a robust system architecture in place, you're ready to implement your design. With your system architecture in place, it's time to bring your design to life. The implementation phase of your building energy management solution with mini server control is where all the planning and design come together in a tangible form. It's an exciting stage, but also one that requires meticulous attention to detail. Let's kick things off with the installation of mini servers and infrastructure. The mini servers should be positioned in secure, climate-controlled spaces to ensure optimal performance. These compact powerhouses are the heart of your BEMS, so their placement is crucial to the system's overall functionality. Next, you'll need to install sensors, actuators, and networking equipment according to your design. Remember to follow the plan you've crafted during the design phase. Consistency between your design and implementation is key to achieving the desired energy management outcomes. Once the hardware is in place, it's time to configure your software platform. This involves setting up operating systems, databases, drivers, and control software on your mini servers. It's a technical process, but don't worry. With a clear plan and the right tools, you'll have your software platform up and running in no time. Now let's integrate the software with your building management system and benchmark for performance. This step ensures your system is functioning as expected, setting a high standard right from the start. But what about the people who will be using this system? That's where user training comes in. Create comprehensive documentation on using the system and conduct hands-on training sessions for your facilities management team. After all, a solution is only as good as the people using it. And there you have it. Your building energy management solution with mini server control is up and running. But remember, implementation is just one part of the journey. The real magic happens when you start to monitor, control, and optimize your building's energy usage. Congratulations, your building energy management solution with mini server control is up and running, but the journey doesn't end here. Emerging technologies can further enhance your building energy management solution with mini server control. Let's delve into how the integration of the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and digital twins can supercharge your system. Firstly, the Internet of Things, or IoT. With IoT, we can connect a vast array of devices to provide richer data for analytics. From smart thermostats to occupancy sensors, these devices capture real-time data that can be analyzed to optimize energy usage. Then we have artificial intelligence, or AI. AI can optimize controls in ways that are far beyond human capabilities. It can learn from past data, understand patterns, and make predictions. It can spot anomalies that might indicate equipment failure or energy waste. With AI, your building energy management solution can become proactive, not just reactive. Next is blockchain. This technology enables a decentralized, tamper-proof control system. It ensures the integrity of the data collected from various energy sources and devices. With blockchain, you can be confident that the data driving your energy decisions is reliable and secure. Lastly, let's talk about digital twins. A digital twin is a virtual model of your building that simulates its energy performance under different scenarios. With a digital twin, you can test energy-saving strategies before implementing them in the real world. It's like having a sandbox where you can experiment without risks. Each of these technologies can play a significant role in enhancing your building energy management solution. The Internet of Things can provide richer data for analytics. Artificial intelligence can optimize controls and spot anomalies. Blockchain can secure your control system, while digital twins allow you to test strategies in a risk-free environment. By leveraging these emerging technologies, you can take your building energy management solution with mini server control to the next level. Imagine the possibilities when you're not only managing your building's energy, but you're also driving innovation and pushing boundaries. It's more than just energy management, it's about creating a smarter, more efficient and more sustainable future for us all. Designing and implementing a building energy management solution with mini server control is a journey, not a destination. Throughout this journey, we've explored the importance of identifying your building's specific energy needs and how to design a system architecture that best addresses those needs. We've delved into the process of implementing that design, from installing mini servers and establishing a robust infrastructure to configuring the software platform and training users, and we've looked at the potential of emerging technologies like IoT, AI, blockchain, and digital twins to enhance these systems. The beauty of a mini-server-based building energy management solution lies in its flexibility and cost-effectiveness. It provides a scalable and affordable approach, allowing you to tailor your energy management system to your unique requirements. Remember, your journey towards energy efficiency is our priority. Contact us today, and together, we'll make it a reality.